Good day, everyone. I'm going to be teaching you, the parents especially, how to make payment for their children via the application, using the application. Okay, first of all, the following information does not belong to anybody. It is just for practical purposes. It's just for training. I repeat, the following information does not belong to anybody or any school. It's just for training purposes. Okay, first of all, as a parent, log in with your child's details and click on your menu. When you click on your menu, go to account. Click on account. Now, when you click on account, you go down. Okay, you see account number 3. Click on it also. Now, when you click on account, you will see your outstanding, the payment you have made. These are the ones that are rendered to your child. Okay, now it has an outstanding of 2,000, 3,000 for Boy Scout, also PTA Association 6,000. Now, after seeing the accounting list, you can decide to pay. When you want to pay, you click on Pay Now. When you click on Pay Now, it will take you to our payment solution. And this is our payment solution. Okay, this is the payment solution. Trying to move for you to see. Now, when you click on the payment solution, you see Pay Now. Click on Pay Now. When you click on Pay Now, it takes you to a more payment solution. So you can choose to pay by card, USSD, bank transfer. You can choose anyone to pay. So you can pay with your card, input your card number, the date, the month, the year, and when it's going to you see VV number. Also, you can click to if you that's the card you want to constantly be using, you can click on it. You can see the amount here with a few charges for Flutterwave and so on. So that's how to make payment. You just pay now. Click on pay now to make your payment, to process your payment. Thank you very much and have a nice and lovely day.